story because it is a campaign and Biden is the other guy on the ballot. But it's about so much more than that. This campaign is about things that it has...
We interrupt this program to bring you Governor Armando's daily coronavirus update on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Changes in the virus around the country. I'm going to address that today, and I'll continue to address that. We're in a good place in Rhode Island as it relates to the virus. But as a country, this is a picture that's changing and evolving every day. So I'm asking you to stay informed. I'd like you to tune in here at 1 o'clock if you can. If you can catch it later, that's fine. Whatever way, I'd ask you to please stay informed. It's the best way to keep yourself safe and to keep Rhode Island in the strong position that we're in. If you can't tune in, I know lots of people are going back to work, which is great. The kids are going back to camp, which is great. I would encourage you to sign up for daily emails. You can go to governor.ri.gov. Our website, governor.ri.gov. Sign up for the daily emails. I know you might not have time to tune in the middle of the day, but we'll send you an email every day. It takes a minute to read, and it's a quick, easy way to stay informed. And on Saturdays, we'll give you the recap for the week. So I'm asking you, governor.ri.gov, stay informed. A lot of people have been asking me, how come Rhode Island's doing so well? You know, we're doing a lot better. I think it's because people are informed. People are informed, they're following the rules, they know the rules, so I would ask you to continue to do that. In the weeks ahead, I'm also going to be scaling back the frequency of this press conference. We went to daily, to 3 times a week. You know, we're going to get to a place soon where it'll be probably a day a week. So it's really important that you find a way to stay informed, which is why I'm strongly encourage you to sign up for these emails, governor.ri.gov. Okay, as we always do in our time together at 1 o'clock, we're going to begin with the data, which continues, thankfully, to be a good news story. And I'd ask you, please, to put the data on the screen. As you can see, we continue to trend in the right direction. We have another 73 cases to report today. And very sadly, yet again, another 6 deaths. So we watch this every day. We watch it every day, the data for the state, particular communities, areas we're worried about, and now we are particularly watching it closely as we think about whether we're ready to enter phase 3. But again, the data that you see there should make you feel confident that in Rhode Island we're dealing very well with the virus. And I'm encouraged. Now, today I want to have a really serious conversation with the people of Rhode Island. Because not every state is in the situation that we're in. And if we get complacent, we're going to be back in a mess. We're going to be right back where we were when we started this. And I do see signs that we're all getting complacent. People refusing to wear a mask, businesses openly violating the rules. Not many. The vast majority are doing exactly what's required. Crowds on the beach when we ask you to disperse, being impatient or rude. I want to be crystal clear about this. This is about science. This isn't about politics. This isn't about what you might want to do. This isn't about what you think might be best to do or most convenient to do. This is just about the facts. Rhode Island, right now, is in a very good place around controlling this virus. And because of that, people are going back to work. We're going to open school in the fall. Our kids get to go to camp. We get to go to the beach. That is all good. As sure as I'm standing here, if we start to break the rules, we will have to unwind that progress and close off some of our economy, some of our recreation, and some of what we love doing. And there's no reason that that should happen. No reason for it. We should never again have to do that. If we wear our masks, wash our hands, get tested, stay home when we're sick, and follow the rules. Now, you might say, you might not agree with that. So let me just tell you about some of the statistics of what's happening around the country and how quickly our fortunes could change if we start to break the rules. Right now, 33 states now have a rolling average of new cases that are higher than last week. That is